Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect hosting a domain to your Wix website. First of all, go to Wix site. Make sure your Wix site is on a premium plan. Custom domains require it. Then go to your Wix dashboard. Then open your project. Then click connect domain. Then click connected domain you already own. Now now enter your domain here and copy the name servers Wix gives you. Then go to Hostinger, open your domain settings, replace the existing name servers with Wix, click Save. Go back to Wix and click verify connection. DNS updates and can take a few hours. Then your domain will go live on Wix. Done. Your Hostinger domain is now connected to your Wix site. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.